अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मुलगचार। ये बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ के हैं। दिस इज़ अनदर वन, द सेकेंड वन। इसे बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 10 to 12 shallots sliced, 2 green chillies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste or crushed, half teaspoon methi seeds and a few curry leaves. You can cook up to half a kg of fish. For this amount of masala, I've used a silver fish. ये Kudampuli है. It is also called Malabar tamarind. I've soaked it in a cup of water. 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 large tomato slice. Heat a manchatti, clay pot, mud pot, anything that you would like to call it. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add half teaspoon methi seeds. Saute for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Now add the sliced shallots, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves and green chillies. Saute till light brown, till the onions turn light brown. Once the onions turn light brown, add the spice powders, 3 tablespoons Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute for 30 seconds. Keep it on low flame. Now add the Kudampuli along with the water. That is around half a cup of water. Warm water actually. Now add the sliced tomatoes. That portion got deleted by mistake. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Once it boils well, then add the fish. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Switch off the flame when you feel the consistency is enough to your liking. Fish curry is now ready. The color is because I have left it aside, covered and left it aside for quite some time till I needed to serve. That is why it is this color. Do try it out and thank you for watching.